This is an unboxing of what you get to eat in the VA hospital when you're all messed up. They give you this. It's just something to laugh at. It's like a joke before dinner or something. And then you just put that there. Then you get this mystery. There's no telling what it is ever. It looks like water. Water with some kind of beans and noodles in it. Yeah, not the greatest. And then you have, this is a chicken. Those are really smelly potatoes. You can get this carrot stuff all the time, I think, because it's real cheap. And every meal ever comes with your standardized cup of coffee and 1% Star Wars milk. We don't need that because we got Bojangles Sprite. Bon appetit.